Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're newer, hi. My name is Karen, I am 23 years old, and today we're gonna forever this belly with some belly casting. I put on some old pants, and yeah, let's cast this belly. Cover me. Heetwater. Don't burn me alive. Taking off my pants. I feel dirty. I feel disgusting. Let's turn to the boobies. Cast me like one of you French girls. I like working with such precision on my boob. You're enjoying touching my boob. I know you do. Ja, ik denk dat het wel verstandig is geweest dat we het hier hebben gedaan. Yay, mijn boob is covered.
Zie je wat?
Okay. Nee, die staat er een beetje voor, maar maakt niet uit. It looks so beautiful. After months of begging, I'm finally getting some loving. It's a little dirtier than I expected, but...
And the baby's gone.
Fuck. I saw some girl do this, and her baby was literally coming, and she was like, fuck, I need to do this still! So she was having contractions, and I'm like, he's moving! I don't know what he's doing, but he's moving! It feels so weird! Oh my god! I don't think he's enjoying this.
It's getting hot in here.
Look how serious you are. It's like Daddy's never given me this much attention. Every time he moves, it makes the most weirdest feeling in the world. Y'all don't even want to know how dirty my legs are. No.
Als ik goed kan verdienen.
No.
100 keer 100 euro per ding. Dan ben je een uurtje 100 euro.
No.
Nee.
Yeah, I cannot really see what you're doing. Tip for everyone doing this in the future: if you think you're not gonna cover any body parts, still put some Vaseline on it, because it is ripping in my armpit. You should actually do this before you get pregnant, when you're the biggest, and after. Then you can show yourself, look, this is me before you, this was me with you, this was me after you.
This is how fat mommy was. Oh?
You're so sweet.
Just kidding.
So lovable. Look at the aftermath of me and the floor.
Till next week.
He's moving like crazy, trying to get this off him. Well, I'm gonna dry up and see you in a bit. Now the floor is clean. Can you please clean your shoes? I just saw a man that knows how to clean. It's very handy. He's literally trying to kick this off of him. Like, it feels so weird. Oh. Ah, it's ripping me! Next time, definitely put more Vaseline on parts I did not think I was gonna cover. Why are you standing there creepily in the corner? I think we're getting really dry now. We're getting loose on its own. Only my sides are still attached. It hurts a little bit. He's really trying to kick it off him. Like,
You're still here?
I'm still here. I'm getting loose. Only my sides are still attached. Oh man. dry and decorated. I am clean-ish again. It was really hard to get the Vaseline off and I still feel like I didn't get everything off. But it is what it is. I am really happy with how it turned out so far. And I cannot wait to start decorating it. But before I can start decorating, I gotta wait till the stores open again here in Holland because we are on a lockdown. So only essential stores are open right now. So I am really excited to take you guys along with me on this baby journey. So if you want to be a part of my baby journey, then don't forget to subscribe down below and hit a notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I love you and hope to see you next time. Bye!
Till next week.